Hello. Now I'm going to be doing, well, it's not really a Let's Play, it's kind of a design play. That sounds really weird, but it's a testing out the shifter, because at the moment ShiftOS is looking a bit boring. If I go to the shifter, it's just this grey thing here. But the shifter is so that you can shift ShiftOS. Now, yeah, that's a quote from his from the developer update. But this is ShiftOS version 0.0.5 Alpha 4. So it's not everything will be working, and I need a bigger screen. I'll just bring up these windows so that you can see what changes are happening, because I'm just testing this out here. No, I want to see the title bar. Yeah, that'll do. Okay. And I'll just get the clock as well. Now, the shifter is how you shift ShiftOS. It's kind of like your control panel, I'm pretty sure. Anyway, this is you can't get this version of ShiftOS anywhere unless you well, it's not publicly released. I'll just say that. So yeah, this is just sort of a preview thing, and it's to show the shiftorium, which is, as I say, this is how you shift ShiftOS. This is how you, not everything works, as you can see. Well, desktop works, but icons doesn't work and program doesn't work, so it's an alpha. But what do I want to shift? I want to shift the title bars of the shifter. And now you can change all the colors and stuff. So what do I want it? I think 30 is pretty good actually. Now what color do I want it? I could make it a blue kind of theme, because I like blue. No, that blue that's too light. I don't like that light blue. What do I like this? Yeah, that works. And now let's make title text and text color black. And now I'll try and make it look like Windows 8, because I'm using Windows 8. And yeah, I'll try and make it look like, hang on, I'll try, whoa, these are all separate windows, okay. That's a bit strange, but I will try and make it look like, and now, anyway, there you go, there it is. These have taken over my computer, they're all in front for some reason. I can't bring this to the front, but there, you can see the title bar, close button. It's slightly different blue, but close button, I'll make it this red. It's a dark red. It looks a bit too dark, maybe I'll change it, maybe like that. That looks good. That's about the color of the Windows 8 title bar, close button, I mean. Height, here on, I want it, it's right at the top, so 0. Apply changes, and now it's very long, so I want it to be sort of 40. Try 40, no, maybe I'll try 50. Yeah, that's about what I want. And now I have a very long close button. Now I want the border to be, I think it's probably about, no, not 50, I mean 5, sorry. Border color, and I want it the same. And here we go. It is looking very Windows 8ish. So yeah, I even added a charms bar, a start screen. Anyway, there we go. There's Windows 8ish ShiftOS. Now let's see what you can do with this desktop, because this desktop panel position I want it at the bottom because I'll have this like a taskbar. So apply changes. That's not the bottom. Okay, I have found a bug. This is not the bottom. But anyway, let's just say it's the top. Oh, okay. Okay. Desktop panel not implemented due to a bug. So yeah. Okay, so that doesn't work. Let's see if the height works. That's quite big, so 40. No, it's too big. 35. Yeah, and I'll make the text a bit bigger. So, and now let's choose a color. And now you can't do transparency on this, I don't think. So let's do this blue. Stick with the blue theme because my computer looks very blue. I'll show you this. As you can see down here, I've got a very bluish taskbar down here because I like blue. Anyway, this Windows having to be on top of everything is slightly annoying. But anyway, let's apply changes. And it's not down the bottom, but and the application launcher doesn't look very good. So app launcher doesn't work. Clock doesn't work. Desktop color. Okay, you can change the desktop color. Doesn't look like you can have a picture, unfortunately. But what should I choose? Let's go with green for a change. Okay, this is going to look awful. Oh, that's awful. Okay, I don't want green. Orange. I want a picture, but you can't do a picture yet. So orange doesn't really fit in with my blue. So maybe I want a slightly different blue shade or something. A more purpley blue, maybe. Yeah, okay. It kind of fits it. And now if I exit all programs, this is my desktop. Awesome. I want to change this applications bar, but it doesn't seem to be working, so I'll just go back to the shifter. Let's see what else you can do. You can't do icons, you can't do programs. But you can do desktop, and not everything on the desktop works, so I'll do Windows. And yeah. So let's go. Yeah, you can't do app launcher, you can't do panel clock, you can do desktop, and you can do this one. But you can't do position yet. So it's always got to be at the top, so you can't really make it Windows. Now that I've done this, let's see what else I can make it like. Can I make it sort of, what should I make it like? I can't resize the skin. I wonder if they'll be resizing in later versions. I'll try and make it XP-ish. Very strange language I have there. Now XP, it's got the lunar theme. So what the lunar theme? It's kind of sort of like a darker blue, I think. I don't know. I don't use XP. I haven't used XP for ages, but and borders. What were the borders like? I can't remember what the borders were like in Windows XP. I'll just say they were the same, and I don't think it was quite this big. I think it was more like 2 pixels. And oh, that's what I forgot to change for the Windows 8 one. this text is in the middle on Windows 8. Oh well, I might change it now, even though I've gone and made it XP-ish, but you can still have this color on Windows 8, so it's technically still Windows 8. I'll just change that back to 5. Save changes. And now I go to title text, and the title text color I've changed it to black. Now I want it to be maybe 10. No, that's too much. 8. Yeah, 8 sort of in the middle there. And from the side, I want to make it in the middle here, so probably 50. 500. No, it's off the screen. 100. Almost there. 150. Yep, that's in the middle now. So pretty much, yeah. Well, it is on the template. It's not really in the middle on this one. Then there needs to be an option to sort of like just center it so that no matter how big the window size is, because I'll just open Lodge Input and then it's sort of even worse on there. And terminal. I thought my terminal was windowed. I think you have to type in windowed. Help. How do you make it windowed terminal? I'm sure I have a windowed terminal because I don't even have any upgrades left in the ShiftOS. So let's see. If I go windowed terminal. Okay, you type in windowed terminal. Windowed terminal. There, now it's a windowed terminal. There we go. And I've even upgraded to I can get an even bit scroll bar there, which looks really bad because it's the Windows 8 scroll bar. I guess it's better than the Windows 7 scroll bar, which is blue. I guess it fits into the grey scheme, although the blue one would be better because I've changed this. Anyway, this is getting confusing, so I'll just exit the terminal. Anyway, we go into the ShiftOS. Yeah, so it's kind of, it's in the center on the template one, but on the example here, but not on the actual things. I'll just try and make it more on the actual thing. 200. Now apply changes. Yeah, that's sort of getting more towards the center. Still got a while to go on ShiftOS. I'll go 300. Yep, that's on the center in ShiftOS and slightly over in Knowledge Input. And slightly over in Shift. It still looks sort of centerish. So there we go. What haven't I done? Okay, now I was making it XP-ish, and I don't think XP is in the center, so I'll go back to the default 5 now that I've just changed all that. And now I'll make it. I might change this. What font did Windows XP use? I don't even know. I'll just use this one. Chiller. What's Chiller? Oh, that looks quite fancy. Wow, I've got a lot of fonts on here. Okay, symbol. Hang on. Yeah, that looks unreadable. I don't really want it unreadable. Stencil. Okay. Uh, okay, let's go Algerian. It looks quite fancy. Let's make it italic, just because we can. I should underline it. Don't know why you'd want this, but let's just see what this looks like. Underlined. Yeah. I don't really like it underlined, just regular. No, I'll do it italic. I like it italic. There we go. And now I'll just rearrange these. Yes, I need a bigger screen. Yeah. I'll put that one up here. Oh, you can drag it on top of the bar up there, the desktop panel. I think that's what's called. I don't know. Anyway, let's continue with making it sort of XP-ish. I don't know what the title, the text looks like in XP, but because I don't use XP and it's like it's 2001. Yeah, I've got a more modern computer than that, and I don't hate Windows 8 so much that I downgrade. So yeah. So I have no idea what the XP thing looks like, but I'm just going to keep that because it looks kind of fancy. Anyway, icons doesn't work. Okay. Title bar. Yeah, I've got the title bar. I think it might have been more like 20 on this. No, 25. Yeah, because I don't think XP had such big. Oh no, maybe it did. I don't know. Anyway, close button and make it. And it wasn't at the very top of it. I think it was like 2 pixels down from the side. I'll go to 2, and then it was square, so I'll go. Whoops, okay, so I'll go 23. No, 22. Sorry. Oh no. Hang on, I've got it in the wrong one. No, and yeah, I do. Oh no. Hang on. I'll just change this until it looks good. Okay. 1. Yeah, that looks nice and square and XP-ish. Now it's a shame you can't do gradients here, but had a more lighter red color and had an X in the middle, but you obviously can't do X's at the moment. And borders, I don't think it had such a big border in XP. It had 2. Actually, don't quote me on that. I have no idea what it had, but I don't think it had such a big border. And now I'll apply changes, and it looks XP-ish, kind of. I don't know. Does it look XP-ish? You rate on the XP-ishness of it. Anyway, that's 0.0.5 alpha 1 of ShiftOS, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, this preview video thing. Goodbye.